Hello, ladies and gents, and happy Monday. Welcome to this week's assignments for English 101. We are in May, folks. That's crazy. A new month, a fresh start. It's a wonderful thing. So let's take a look at what we're doing this week. This week you are working on your first essay, our major project for English 101, which is a compare and contrast essay about Agatha Christie's novel Murder on the Orient Express. And in this essay, as you've learned from the prompt and our recorded videos, is that you're going to be arguing whether the primary theme of the novel is justice or revenge. Like, were the characters who murdered Ratchet motivated by a sense of justice? Was their action just? Or was it instead revenge motivated by personal feelings and there was no justice involved? So you're going to be making a compelling argument using a compare and contrast function of both terms. And all the help for that is in the recorded lecture. So in our modules tab, check it out. We've got recorded lectures on the prompt and the rubric, on the thesis statements. Everything is there to help you out. So please make sure you're using all your resources wisely and well as managing your time. And this essay should be a great success for you. So you're going to be working on revising it after you got all your feedback from your classmates. That feedback should have come back to you on Sunday. So you should have a nice filled out peer review worksheet from a classmate so that you can make some changes. Today is going to be a revision day for you. And then you're going to be submitting your revised essay. So an essay that's even better than the first one with substantial changes to it to make it stronger. And we're going to peer review again. Now this may feel like too much peer review. And it's fine if you feel that way. What the purpose of this is to make sure that we are taking intentional steps in our essay writing process. A successful essay isn't just written at 11:59 p.m. when it's due at midnight and you just knock something amazing out. Like, if you can, kudos. Like, yay, you're amazing. We all bow to that. Sorry, those weird noises in the background are my dogs. Apparently they saw a cat because they're goofy. So essay writing is a process. It's designed to be a process. That's why we have scaffolding assignments like thesis statements and outlines and discussion boards. And then we move on to the essay and we go through this review process multiple times to make sure that our final product is really a concise, well-written, articulate essay that's going to convince a reader that our analysis of a text is correct. Jem, stop making noise. She's so chatty. Such a chatty dog. I don't know if anyone has Australian Shepherds, but they're very chatty dogs. So the peer review is really important. So make sure you upload your peer review. It's going to be a very similar process to last week, where upload and you will review the person directly below you. You're going to work on revising your essay all week, and you're turning in that final draft on Sunday at midnight. Now, one final caveat I want to give you: if you want to earn extra credit in this class, you can make an appointment with the CBC Online Writing Center. Have them give you feedback on your essay and use that feedback to make your essay better. Not only do you get extra credit, but your essay is going to be better, so it's going to get a better score. So your grade's going to be better in like 2 different categories, which is awesome. So if that's something you're interested in, all you have to do is go to our class, go to the modules tab, and I've got everything you need up here in the e-tutoring folder. So if you want to go to the CBC e-tutoring center or schedule help with the online writing center, I have both of those links for you here. If you want to earn the extra credit, just send me an email with a copy of the feedback you received from either the e-tutors or the writing center, and I'll enter those extra credit points for you. So extra credit and a better essay. It's a win-win. There's no downside. So make sure you're taking advantage of those resources. And like I mentioned before, the Murder on the Orient Express folder has everything you need to be successful as well, including that psychological approach to justice and revenge. Incredibly helpful article. If you haven't read it yet, read it. It's very, very good. And then here's everything you need for the essay: the recorded lecture and a thesis walkthrough. Make sure you viewed both of these videos as you're going through your revision process. And that's where we're headed for this week. I'm excited as our drafts get closer to being done. If you have any questions, reach out. I'm here to help. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing your peer reviews and how you invest in each other's revision process. Have a great week, guys.